Ever heard of a really cool new car from China called the Honky H9? It's like the fresh face in the world of fancy cars, competing with big names like Rolls-Royce and Mercedes. This Chinese car is turning heads and gaining popularity among rich and famous people. Picture a car that's not only stylish but also super strong, changing how we think about fancy cars. Let's take a fun journey together and explore what makes the Honky H9 so special and why everyone is talking about it. The Honky H9 is not just another fancy car. It's like a bold statement from China saying, "Hey world, we're doing things our way." Let's check out the cool aspects of this car, its awesome features, sleek design, and how smoothly it cruises down the road. This car is a real competitor to big names like Rolls-Royce and Mercedes. So buckle up for a ride with me as we discuss how fantastic this car is and why it's showcasing China's talent in making super fancy cars. It's like the new kid on the block, making a big impact in a race against the best. Exterior design. Now, let's talk about the impressive outside look of the Honky H9. It's a great example of Chinese car innovation, blending tradition and modern style perfectly. The car's body is carefully shaped and proudly reflects Honky's essence, like a red flag waving with pride. The H9 is a full-size luxury sedan with a standout wheelbase of 3,060 millimeters, making it ready for an amazing journey. Comparing the H9 to European cars is like comparing different art styles on a canvas. When placed next to the timeless elegance of a Rolls-Royce or the smooth lines of a Bentley, the H9 not only stands its ground but also challenges the norm. Its sleek lines and strong contours don't just give off a powerful vibe, they redefine what it means to make a statement on the road. The H9 isn't just a luxury car, it's a moving masterpiece that grabs attention. Now, let's smoothly move on to explore the inside of this rolling masterpiece. Interior design. Step inside the Honky H9 and you'll enter a world of luxury and elegance. The interior isn't just a car cabin. It's a carefully designed space where each element tells a story of skillful craftsmanship. Top-notch materials like rich wood and soft leather create an atmosphere that can rival, if not surpass, European luxury cars. The fusion of traditional Chinese design and cutting-edge technology is apparent in every detail, making it a perfect heaven for drivers who appreciate the finer things. Comparing the H9's interior to Rolls-Royce, Mercedes, BMW. When placed against the refined luxury of a Rolls-Royce or the advanced technology of a Mercedes, the H9 stands out. It doesn't just provide comfort, it offers a complete experience. The seamless blend of technology doesn't take away from the classic charm, instead, it enhances it, putting the H9 at the forefront of the luxury car revolution. As we transition into discussing seating features, get ready to be captivated by the careful attention to comfort and detail. Seating features. The seats of the Honky H9 aren't just ordinary. They're the ultimate blend of comfort and style. The luxurious leather wraps around passengers, providing a feeling of opulence that goes beyond typical expectations. These seats aren't just designed for sitting. They're made for pure indulgence, offering ergonomic support and customizable settings that redefine what a comfortable journey means. When you compare the H9's seating features to those of European cars, you discover a story of comfort and innovation. Against the backdrop of the sophisticated cabins of Rolls-Royce and Bentley, the H9 doesn't just hold its own, it excels. It's not just about sitting in a car, it's about embarking on a journey in unmatched comfort. The careful attention to detail establishes the H9 as a true competitor in the competitive world of luxury automobiles. Performance and specifications. Under the hood, the Honky H9 is a perfect blend of power and efficiency. The core of this remarkable car comes with a choice of engines, a turbocharged 2.0 liters i4 and a supercharged 3.0 liters V6. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures smooth gear shifts, transforming every drive into a performance. The hybrid drivetrain, featuring a belt-driven starter generator, adds an environmentally friendly touch to the H9's dynamic profile. When you compare the performance of the H9 to its European counterparts, it's like exploring new frontiers. Against the strong contenders like Rolls-Royce, Mercedes, BMW, and Bentley, the H9 doesn't just keep up, it sets a whole new standard. It's not just a luxury sedan, it's an engineering marvel that reshapes expectations. The perfect combination of power and efficiency places the H9 in a league of its own. Performance evaluation. As we take the Honky H9 for a spin to assess its performance, the 2.0 liters turbocharged and 3.0 liters supercharged engines unveil an exhilarating acceleration. It's not just a drive, It's a beautiful blend of agility and responsiveness, highlighting the H9's prowess on the road. The belt-driven starter generator in the hybrid drivetrain adds an extra touch of efficiency, turning the H9 into not just a luxury sedan, but also an eco-conscious choice. When you compare its on-road performance to the European counterparts, it's like witnessing a revolution. Against the established standards of Rolls-Royce, Mercedes, BMW, and Bentley, the H9 doesn't just compete. It challenges the very core of automotive performance. It accelerates, handles corners, and maneuvers with a finesse that enhances the driving experience, setting a new standard for what a luxury car can achieve. Can it compete with established luxury brands? Now, let's address the big question. Can the honky H9 stand up to luxury giants like Rolls-Royce, Mercedes, and Bentley? Absolutely. The H9 doesn't just enter the scene. It confidently walks in, challenging conventional ideas about luxury cars. Compared to the timeless elegance of Rolls-Royce, the H9 offers a fresh perspective, embracing innovation and cultural fusion. It's not constrained by tradition. Instead, it's setting a new standard. Against the refined luxury of a Mercedes, the H9 doesn't just compete. It presents an alternative story. The interior craftsmanship, seamless integration of technology, and driving experience established the H9 as a strong contender in the luxury car arena. In the realm of performance where BMW excels, the honky H9 steps up, challenging the norm with a mix of power, efficiency, and an unforgettable driving experience. And when placed against the grandeur of Bentley, the H9 doesn't just share the stage. It takes its own spotlight, emerging as a symbol of China's ascent in the automotive world. As we navigate the luxury landscape, the honky H9 doesn't just compete. It redefines competition, making us question whether established luxury brands can keep up with the wave of innovation it brings. Beyond comparison, the honky H9 possesses a presence that goes beyond expectations. With its unique design, impressive performance, and the capability to rival industry giants, it emerges as a symbol of automotive excellence. The H9 has not only left its mark on the roads, but has also made a significant impact in the realm of innovation. In summary, the honky H9 is more than just a car. It's an unmistakable statement challenging the norm. From its captivating exterior to the carefully designed interior, luxurious seating features, groundbreaking performance, and its ability to compete with the industry's best, the H9 is a formidable contender. It represents China's increasing influence in the global automotive arena and marks the beginning of a new era in luxury driving, a true masterpiece on wheels.